I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Medify Air MA Car Air Purifier. Thanks to Medify for sending this along for me to check out. You can see it's a HEPA 13 air purifier for use in your car. And it's usually used by people who want to be driving around, either there's a ride share, for example, if you have other people in your car and you want to be filtering the air, or if you live in an area with poor air quality, especially during fire season in California, for example. I find it's a good thing for just improving the air quality in your car in those circumstances. So this is a pretty small unit. It's powered off of the car, so I'll show how it's plugged in. You can see it plugs into an accessory or cigarette lighter adapter. I've got it plugged into the back in my minivan. You can also plug it into your main one in the front of the car if you want, and you have a couple options. You can either tuck it under a seat, as I've done here, or you can use a special cable that comes with it to attach it to the back of the seat. Really up to you. I like that it's just easy and out of the way down here at the bottom. One small annoyance though is that when you start the car, it doesn't switch on by default. So that might prolong the filter life, but you have to remember to switch it on if you want to have purification happening. So let's look at how that works. So here I am coming into the car. You can see that it's blinking the power button to show that it's plugged in, receiving power. It's only going to get power when your car is on or on accessory mode. So if you're parked, you can't use it unless your car supports that. So to switch this on, I'm just going to press that power button. You can see it goes to solid. We get a fan speed indicator. I can choose my fan speed here. I can also switch on and off the ionizer that it has in there if I want to. I usually leave that off. Usually leave it on the lowest fan speed unless the air quality outside is really bad. And it's just blowing filtered air out the top here into my car. Again, it can handle about a 7-person car, about 40 square feet. And it's got an HEPA 13 air purifier in there, a filter in there. So it's they call it a medical grade air filter, better than a traditional HEPA filter. So I like that it's just a pretty easy to use small unit, runs off of my car's power. I can tuck it in here, and when I switch it on, I know that it's improving the air quality in my car. Looking forward to using this during fire season and just in general to keep the interior of my car cleaner and in better shape overall. It is something you have to remember to switch it on when you get into the car. It's the only thing to keep in mind. As long as you don't mind doing that, I recommend putting it somewhere you can easily access it. Switch it on when you get in if you feel you need the purification. And it's there just keeping the interior of your car to have better air quality. That's the Medify MA Car Air Purifier.